Hello saplings, time to learn the sound. That's right saplings, you know what sound we're on now. It's the ch sound. Let's say it, ch sound. Excellent saplings. Let's say it again, ch. Brilliant saplings. This sound is special friends again. 2 letters, 1 sound. Let's have a look at the green words with this sound. Chat, chop, chin. Brilliant. You say it, chat. Excellent saplings. Chop. Brilliant saplings. Chin. Fantastic. Let's have a look at the picture clue. That's right saplings. Chair. Children. My favourite, chocolate. And last one, chips. Not too many. Chips. Fantastic. Let's do it together now. Ready saplings? Chips. Children. Chair. Chocolate. Brilliant saplings. I'm really proud of you. You know what we do now? We're going to find the sound. When you find it, the focus sound, touch your nose. Let's get ready saplings. Brilliant saplings. Nice and clear. Fantastic. Keep going. Wow, I'm really proud of you. A little bit faster. Excellent saplings. Straight away you got that. Well done. Let's say it together. Ch. Brilliant. Let's have a look at the picture clue card. 2 letters, 1 sound. The k and the h. It's actually a bouncy sound, children. So it's ch. Chew. Let's say ch, ch, chew. The horse sneezes when the caterpillar's hair gets up his nose. That's the handwriting skill clue. Let's do it together. K and a h to make the ch sound. Well done children. What's our focus sound? Ch, ch, chew, ch, 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 chew, ch. Brilliant. What time is it, saplings? It's time to Fred. Where's Fred? He's on my shoulder. Let's read the words then together. Ch, it, n, chin. Brilliant saplings. Let's do the next one. Ch, it, n. Was testing you there saplings. Ch, op, chop. Excellent saplings. I'm really proud of you. Ch, at, chat, saplings, excellent. Time to do the challenge. Put Fred down. No more Fredding now. Let's do it together. Chop, chat, chin. Brilliant saplings. Time for a team celebration. Today, I think I will do the hip, hip, hooray. Ready? Let's join in. Hip, hip, hooray. Well done, superstars. Okay, it's time to write. Let's have a look at our handwriting board. Yes, what can we see? Broken line, solid line, and then a broken line. Saplings, just remind me, what's our focus sound today? Brilliant, saplings. Don't forget, 2 letters, 1 sound. Around the caterpillar. You say, around the caterpillar. What's the next sound? The h sound. Start at the broken line, down to the bottom, over to the hooves. Again, what sound is it? Ch sound. Don't forget, finger space, saplings, round the caterpillar, down to the hooves and over and round. Well done, saplings. As always, you've got a task today. Spell and write the green words that we've just gone over in your green books, and then to challenge you today, our red word is so. So a sentence with the red word so. Enjoy your tasks, Applins. Looking forward to seeing all your hard work. Bye.